Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. Deactivating and deleting a Facebook account are both different things. When you deactivate your account will remove temporarily. It means your friends can no longer see your profile picture, posts, and comments. But you are still able to use your messenger and keep your account. After deactivating, you can reactivate your account within 30 days as well. In contrast, deleting your account permanently means it will finally disappear and you cannot recover it anymore. It happens when you deactivate your account and never recover it in 30 days. In such a case, Facebook completely deletes your account in 90 days. If you must delete your Facebook account from your mobile phone, follow these steps. Go to the Facebook app on your mobile phone. You can see the triple lines in the bottom right corner of the screen named as Hamburger Menu. Select that menu. Click the down button and go through Settings and Privacy to reach your location. Then click Settings. Select the option Access and Control. Now, click Deactivation and Deletion. You will choose Delete Account and proceed to Account Deletion. To permanently delete your Facebook account and all associated data, click Continue. On the next page, Facebook lets you download all your media, including likes, comments, posts, and messages. Click the Delete Account. Click the Delete Account option to delete your account from Facebook permanently. It will take 90 days for Facebook to disappear from your account completely. However, you can recover your account within 30 days if you desire. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.